This is the room tour for the Riu Reggae. We're in a double standard room with a balcony. Alright, so I'm just going to give you guys a tour. I want this to be as detailed as possible, but still not overemphasizing on things that you guys already know. Alright, so first and foremost, when you come into the room, you have your key card here. Your key card allows your lights to work. I don't know if it's something for energy saving, but it kind of works. So right now there's no lights, and just putting it down there, lights. All right, this switch here controls the lights. All right, so first and foremost, I'm going to show you guys the closet. I have a little mini closet area here. In the closet we have two robes. They're thick, they're lush, they're okay for what you need them to be. In the closet we also have an extra pillow up top. We also have a ironing board, and we also have an iron right there. That's for over this side. On the other side now, on the other side we have a safe, which I don't normally use safes when I'm at the resort. I don't know, maybe this time I'll give it a try out, but the safe is always here just in case you need it, as well as storage space underneath. I'm going to show you guys how the bathroom looks now, so come on in. Alright, so in the bathroom, starting off, my hair is down. Normally I have my natural hair, but you guys are familiar with that, but I have my hair down, so I'm going to go in the water, I'm going to take it down, so it probably will get wet, and I'm going to need this. So we have a blow dryer that's in the room for persons like myself. We'll need it. We have some face towels here and over there. This is a his and her sink, so that's really good if you want one space to have it here. We have some towels here, about 3 of them. We have rags just in case you need it. We have bar soap just in case you need it. This one said drop on soap. Tiny little piece of soap, but just in case you need it here. And there is the shower cap, which I definitely will be using. I also have glass here, using the bathroom just in case you need it. And you have a bin right there to take it. The toilet, however, is behind the door, so come on guys, let me show you how the toilet looks. Alright, so right here you have your standard toilet. There's nothing too fancy about it. It's just a regular toilet. It's clean. That should look something. For TC, we have one on your right here, and you have one over here. You also have some makeup wipes here. Well, they're tissue, but I like them for wiping my face or wiping my makeup. You have one here, and you have one here. I'm going to show you guys how the shower looks right after I show you guys that you have a towel hanger or a towel rack right here. Alright guys, so this is a shower. It's okay. It's an okay size. You have the glass here, so this is kind of, it's frosted so the person to the back there can't see you. But I mean, if it wasn't frosted, I wouldn't mind. You know, it's good for sexy time. Same. Alright, shower. Not a big fan. I normally like overhead shower here and then the handheld there. You just have the handheld alone. So yeah, if that doesn't bother you, then that's fine. There's a little area here that you can put soap and shampoo and whatever you may need here. And I guess your rag and whatever can go here. There's not a door, the typical door for the shower. You just have a glass that's here. So, and I don't think you'll get the floor wet. Yeah. So first and foremost, our first stop will be a little mini bar right here. So in the mini bar right now we have Mr. Man decided to start drinking beer, so he's about to enjoy himself. There are some beers and sodas in the fridge. It's stocked. So some red stripe, we have some sodas for those into Sprite. There's a Coke here, no sugar, what that. There is a Schweppes club soda, and there's water. Can never have too much water. Alright, freezer. I know I'm going to be using this later when I get ice cream, and I don't use up all of it because I tend to do that. Alright, so right up here you have another 1.5 liters of water here. You have a little ice tray. Probably will be using that because I'm using this as a time to definitely get myself intoxicated. Okay? Yeah. So we have 2 glasses here that we can use. I'm a coffee person, I'm a tea person, so I'm definitely going to be using this. There is a True Brew coffee by Jabalom here, regular. So I'm definitely going to be using this. I actually like these coffee mugs. They're black. I like them. It looks nice. But yeah, so right here we have a little thingy here to stir your tea with, as well as the sachets of sugar, as well as you have creamer, coffee creamer, and yeah. So normally up here is where back in the day is where you'd have liquor. So you'd have like Appleton and rum and stuff like that. But unfortunately, because of COVID and whatever, they don't have it anymore. So yeah, I don't know how that applies to rums or whatever. But if you need, there's liquor and whatever available all over the resorts. If you need that, you should be able to get that. All right. Next, a lovely full length mirror here. I definitely see myself using this. Alright, I definitely see myself using this lovely full length mirror here. Here we have the thermostat that's going to control the temperature in the entire room. We have some switch that will pass, but you guys don't need to see switch. Right to your left here is where we have the frosted glass. Remember in the bathroom, I showed you guys the frosted glass, so here's where. So it would have been really sexy if it wasn't so frosted, and this could be like a couple's room, so you know your bae is on the bed, and you know he's watching you take a bath or whatever. Alright, yeah, so we have 2 night tables. One is over here, one is over there. Regular standard, you have a drawer, space for the bottom. Nice, you have a USB outlet to charge your phone as well as a charging port, and this one controls lights over there, and this controls the lights right here, right? So for the bed, as you guys can see, it's a lovely king size bed that we have here. It feels pretty comfortable. All I've done is sat on it. It feels pretty good. So yeah. Yeah. That's it for the bed. Here we have a little dresser area thingy, my jiggy. We have a little bag here. As you can see, all our bags are on it, so they're kind of there. There's a TV here, smart TV, Samsung. I haven't turned it on or anything because we just came, and as you guys saw, we just went for lunch, made it first, you know how it is. Yeah, so you have some drawers here just in case you're going to use it. I don't think I'm going to. Some Riu magazine. Not going to be interested in that either. And come over this side and you will see the second night table, phone, as well as a little cute little area that you guys can, well, there's no eating in the room, so you wouldn't eat in here, but you can have drinks or whatever, play a game or whatever. I don't know, whatever you want to do. There's a lovely wall art in the room. It kind of goes with the theme. So there's a kind of blue on the bed, there's blue chairs, and the wall art has blue, which is pretty cool. Yeah, so let me show you guys now how the outside looks, our balcony. So you guys can come. Alright guys, so this is balcony. So on the balcony we have 2 chairs. One here, and there's a little table right there. The view is not the best. We kind of there are trees. However, to our right, look at that, guys. Bang! Blue waters everywhere. It's pretty awesome. I definitely see myself chilling out here early morning or whatever. So yeah, guys. There's also a towel rack over there, but a towel or wet clothes or whatever you want to put over there. you can put some things that you go to poolings, you know, have some things traveled. We are located close to the Sangsters International Airport. So there you go. Yeah, some persons may find that annoying, but I don't really have a problem with it. Yeah, it's not that loud, it's okay. Yeah, so that is it, guys. That is my room tour for your double standard room. I think I have a partial ocean view, I'm not really sure, but that's your double standard room for the Riu Reggae in Montego Bay, Jamaica. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye, guys.